Are you sending the wrong signals with your eyes? Have you ever been on a date, sitting across from someone you're really into, but you're not sure how to hold eye contact? Maybe you glance at her, then look away too fast, afraid of making it awkward. Or maybe you stare a little too long, and now she's shifting uncomfortably in her seat. We've all been there. You want to show confidence, attraction, and mystery without coming off as creepy or insecure. The truth is, your eyes say more than your words ever could. Think about it. Have you ever locked eyes with someone and instantly felt a connection? That's because eye contact is one of the most powerful tools of attraction. But here's the thing, most men don't know how to use it right. So, are you building tension with your eyes, or are you accidentally turning her off? Stay with me, because today, I'm going to show you how to use eye contact to make her feel drawn to you without saying a word. Why eye contact is the ultimate attraction tool. All right, so why does eye contact even matter? Think about the last time you felt truly connected to someone. Was it because of what they said, or was it the way they looked at you? Eye contact builds trust. It creates intimacy. And when used correctly, it can make a woman feel an instant magnetic pull toward you. But here's the problem. Most guys mess this up. Some avoid eye contact altogether, making them seem nervous or uninterested. Others hold it for too long, making things uncomfortable. So, how do you strike the perfect balance? Let's break it down. Step 1. The right amount of eye contact. You don't want to stare. You don't want to look away too quickly. Instead, aim for controlled, confident eye contact. Here's how. 1. Look at her when she's speaking. Show her you're engaged. Don't just stare blankly, actually listen. 2. Hold eye contact for about 3 to 4 seconds at a time. Any longer, and it might feel intense. Any shorter, and it looks like you're unsure of yourself. 3. Glance away naturally. You don't need to break eye contact suddenly. Just look to the side for a moment, then bring your eyes back to her. Imagine this. You're sitting across from her at a cozy little restaurant. She's telling a story, and you're looking right into her eyes, giving her your full attention. She feels heard. She feels special. And the best part? She starts mirroring your energy, holding your gaze just a little longer. That's when you know it's working. But holding eye contact isn't enough. You need to add emotion. Step 2. Express emotion through your eyes. Have you ever looked at someone and just felt something? That's because your eyes communicate more than words ever could. You can use this to your advantage. Here's how. 1. When she's talking about something exciting, widen your eyes slightly. This makes her feel like you're truly interested. 2. When she shares something personal, soften your gaze. Show her you're present, not just waiting for your turn to speak. 3. Use a playful, teasing look. A quick, mischievous glance combined with a smirk can create an unspoken flirtation. Imagine you're on a date and she makes a funny joke. Instead of just laughing, you hold her gaze for a second longer, tilt your head slightly, and give her a slow, knowing smile. Boom. That one look creates tension. It makes her wonder what you're thinking. It makes her feel attracted without even knowing why. But we're not done yet, because there's one more secret to mastering eye contact. Step 3. The power of looking away. Confidence isn't just about holding eye contact. It's also about when you break it. A lot of guys get this wrong. They either look away too fast, which signals nervousness, or hold eye contact too long, which can feel weird. Here's the right way to do it. 1. When she's speaking, break eye contact occasionally to make it feel natural. 2. When you're talking, hold eye contact slightly longer, then look away confidently. 3. Look down and to the side when you break eye contact. Never dart your eyes around. Now, picture this. She's looking at you, waiting for your reaction to something she just said. Instead of breaking eye contact quickly, you hold her gaze for just 1 extra second. Then slowly look away with a small smirk. That moment? That's the kind of eye contact that keeps her thinking about you even after the date is over. Final thoughts. Mastering eye contact is a game changer. So, let's recap. 1. Use just the right amount of eye contact, 3 to 4 seconds, then glance away naturally. 2. Express emotion through your eyes. Excitement, warmth, and playfulness all come through in how you look at her. 3. Break eye contact the right way, confident, slow, and intentional. This isn't just about looking at someone. It's about making her feel something without saying a word. And when you get it right, she'll feel drawn to you in a way she can't explain. So next time you're on a date, ask yourself, are you using your eyes to attract her, or are you accidentally pushing her away? Now go out there and try this. You'll be surprised at what happens. Before you go, one last thing. If you found this helpful and want more powerful tips on confidence, attraction, and mastering your mindset, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. And if you haven't already, Subscribe to Stoic Wisdom so you never miss a video. I drop insights on psychology, relationships, and the Stoic mindset to help you level up in every area of your life. Click that subscribe button now, and I'll see you in the next video.